Welcome to Feedback Sports. We are going to talk today about the different clamp jaw closure mechanisms across our line of repair stands. We are most famous for the repair stands with the most sophisticated clamp jaw closures, but we've got a wide spectrum to suit the needs of you and your budget. At the Sport Mechanic, our most affordable tripod repair stand, we're using what's called the spinner knob closure. And that's basically just a wind-up wingnut style closure to open and to close. So it might take a little more time, but you get the benefit of very customizable opening and closure force against your working surface, whether it's a frame tube or a seat post, which is what we recommend. Twist to open, slide out the seat post. On the ultralight, which is the most lightweight of our tripod repair stands, we have what is called the slide lock clamp jaw, which is basically counterclockwise to open. You can slide the jaw open or closed, and then twist to take up. So what that's going to look like in practice is counterclockwise to loosen, slide to open, slide to take up the slack, and tighten to secure your project. To release, loosen counterclockwise, slide to open, and release the seat post of the bike you're working on. The most sophisticated and most popular among our tripod repair stands is the Pro Mechanic, and that has what we call the speed ratchet and spinner knob, and there's a quick release to open the clamp jaw. The quick release operates with just a big red button. You can place your project in the clamp jaw, take up the slack thanks to the ratchet, and then tighten to secure. It's by far the fastest and easiest to use, especially with that quick release to open and release your project. So those are the three different styles of clamp jaws on our repair stands.